Have you ever loved something so much you say, I could do this forever? Right? It's a forever thing. For me, my forever thing is yoga, and particularly Kundalini Yoga. I've done Kundalini Yoga, it seems like forever, for the last 50 years or so. And I'm going to do it for the next 50 years. I'm doing this forever. And why am I going to do this forever? Because I found a way in the practice of Kundalini Yoga to do things that help me, support me, and actually quite enjoyable. To do it every day for the rest of my life. And the way we do this is to look at the basic practices of Kundalini Yoga, the things that really work so well, that are so easy and so accessible to people. You don't need to go to a yoga class necessarily. You don't need to spend hours a day doing this. Once you find these practices of Kundalini Yoga that have been around for hundreds of years, that have been proven to work, you can start doing these practices by yourself, on your own, every day, forever. Let's give an example of that. One of the most basic practices of Kundalini Yoga is what we call the spinal flex, where you're holding the knees or the ankles, and you're inhale, rocking the spine forward and exhaling back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Great exercise, so easy for spinal flexibility and to prevent back problems. Why not do it forever? Because if you do it forever, the back is going to be so happy, the spine is so flexible. And it's very simple. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It's a basic practice you can do forever. Now, let's add something else to it. Because if we're only going to do 1 or 2 or maybe 3 or 4 things a day for a short period of time, forever, we want to find the optimal, very best things to do to have that effect. So let's try this again. We're going to also use a breath in Kundalini Yoga called breath of fire. That rapid breath through the nose, equal in, equal out. Breath of fire is another forever practice, every day, forever. Why not? It's vitalizing, it's energizing, it's healing, it's detoxifying, it's simple. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Why not do it forever, every day? Now let's take these two things I've talked about, these two forever practices, spinal flex and breath of fire. What if we put these two things together? What are we doing? Well, in a very short time of using these two things together, we're able to create a lot of vitality, a lot of flexibility, a lot of focus. And you can do it in 3 minutes. You have time for that, I'm sure. So here's what we do. Let's try it on our own. We're going to hold the knees or the shins or ankles. You're going to rock the spine, just like you normally do for spinal flex. So begin your spinal flex. Start beginning and keep going. Okay, got that rhythm down? Inhaling forward, exhaling back. Good. We're going to continue that same movement. And now we're going to overlay it with the breath of fire. So the breath of fire comes out very quickly, equal in, equal out. Inhale, exhale. You're moving the spine, the same rhythm. Nice slow rhythm of the spinal flex. But you're also doing breath of fire as you do that spinal flex. Let's try that. Let's try for just 45 seconds. So again, position yourself, ankles, shins, knees, holding on. Rock the spine back and forth. Breath of fire through the nose, quickly in and out. Go, 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 go. 45 seconds. Good, good, good. Now inhale to the center. Retain that breath briefly. Hold steady. Hold steady. Exhale. Release the breath. Relax the posture. All right. That was maybe a minute that you've done to do the whole thing. 60 seconds. How do you feel? Better? Would you like to feel this way the rest of the day? All your life? Forever? You can do this. These simple, small practices put together can give you a routine that you can do every day forever. Kundalini Yoga. So for self-care, for well-being, for your overall health, I encourage you, let's find these daily practices, ones that you know you'll do, that you enjoy doing, that you will do for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever it is that you want to do for yourself. And find out which are the practices that we can use for for your particular age of your life, stage of your life, and for any particular things you're trying to heal. How you want to take care of yourself. Do you need more energy, for example? Do you need to be able to sleep better? What is it about yourself that you're trying to work on a daily basis to make your life better forever? So, Kundalini Yoga for self-care forever.